Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I made a DIY Polo Ralph Lauren shirt with my Cricut machine. And right now I'm just Googling an image that I want to use to find out like a design or something from Ralph Lauren that I can use on the shirt. By the way, once again, this is not me selling Ralph Lauren clothes. This is not me telling anybody to go out and, do replicas of Ralph Lauren and sell them or even wear them. This is just for entertainment. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I do not recreate other people's clothes and sell them. This is just for people like me, who love arts and crafts, who love doing something on their free time. And it's just for entertainment. So let's get into the video. So here's the shirt I found inspiration from. Now we're going to head over to Canva and pull it up. Oh, before we head over to Canva, these are the vinyls that I'm using. I have a white one, then I have a royal blue, and then I have a green one. And it's just regular easy weave vinyl. I get them from a store called Craft Closet in Alabama. But you should be able to get them from any vinyl store that you get your vinyl from. So I'm heading to Canva now. And what I'm going to do is type in the word polo. What I usually do is just go and play with a few different fonts and sizes and styles and all that stuff. But just for the time being, I don't want to bore y'all. I'm just going to choose whatever font just comes to mind. And so I'm going to get this graduate font and use it. So I may play some music because I don't want to bore y'all to death. But just stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, and now I'm going in. I'm just going to fast forward a little bit. I'll do the same thing for sport, the same font, graduate, and then I do the same thing for Ralph Lauren. But I changed up the font on Ralph Lauren because I wanted to give it just a little different feel once the text got put on the shirt. So make sure you still stay tuned. And if you didn't know that you could use your phone to cut with your Cricut, you can. All you have to do is just go and download the Cricut app on your phone instead of on your laptop. Put it on your phone also. And so when you don't have your laptop, or if you don't have a laptop, you can just cut straight from your phone. You just have to turn on the Bluetooth and make sure that the Cricut machine and everything is hooked up. Bluetooth is hooked up, ready to go. And once your Cricut machine is ready to go, it'll turn from that little white light and it'll go blue. So just as in this video that I showed you, it'll have the little white light at first and then you'll go blue, and then you'll know that your machine is ready to start cutting. But the only thing about it, like, you can't use your phone to text or answer a call or video from it, because then your design will stop cutting if you start using your phone. So that's the only downside of using your phone to cut. So let's get back into it. So right now I'm in Cricut Design Space, and all I'm doing is just pulling up the words, the images, Polo, Ralph Lauren Sport. So I'm just going to lay them on my mat, just adjust the dimensions, and get ready to cut them out on the vinyl. So make sure you stay tuned, continue watching. I'm going to play some music right here. Okay, so I have everything cut out. I have my weeding utensil. Mark it. Make sure you send me a check. All right, let's get everything weeded out, and then we'll go over to the shirt press machine. Just a quick tip before we go over to the pressing machine. So you always want to make sure that you cut on the dull side, and then you also weed. You pull it up on the dull side.